Hi fellow investors, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss and analyze about a small finance bank which has entirely a different business model when we compare it with the other regular banks as well as the other regular finance sector business models. This company has a huge potential to grow in future as per my in-depth technical as well as fundamental analysis. As you all know that I don't do the videos for the sake of doing the videos. I do a thorough detailed technical analysis, and whenever I see a stock which is going to give a huge breakout which is going to be happen as per my in-depth technical analysis, then I will do a thorough fundamental analysis and I will post those videos on the same channel, and I will myself invest into those companies. Please make sure you watch this video completely. This video is divided into three chapters. One is the fundamental analysis, technical analysis and chart patterns. I would request you to please subscribe my channel. Most of the viewers who are watching the videos are not yet subscribed. Please consider subscribing my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted videos on the regular breakout stocks. If you miss an opportunity to enter into exactly at the breakout point, then we are going to miss the opportunity into the stock, and the stock will move into the new higher zones which where the stock never come back into the specific point which where we want to invest at a very strong bargaining price. I would request you to please like, comment and share these videos to the other fellow investors so that they could able to enter exactly at the very right bargaining price and gain more in profits from these companies. When it comes into the fundamental analysis, this company has a market capital of 10,000 crore and this company has a very good book value as well as a face value. This company's earnings per share as well as price to earnings ratio were tremendously increased from 3% to 8% from the past 3 years, and this company has a very good net assets, net growth and the total asset value, and this company is giving a very good quarterly results as well as an annual results. And this company has given a results of 1,200 crore profit for this fiscal year, which is really an all-time high for this company. This company has never got a good profits which is more than 600 crore, but this year this company has a profit of more than 1,000 crore. And this company has a very good shareholding pattern which includes both the foreign institutional investors as well as the domestic institutional investors, and the promoters itself is holding more than 73% stake in this company. And this company has a very good compound sales growth, compound profit growth and the return on equity. This company's compound sales growth were tremendously increased from 46% to 5,000%. And this company's profit growth was tremendously increased from 8% to almost like 40%. This company is giving a very good solid best results when it comes into the finance region, which is where this company has huge number of customers throughout the India. And when it comes to the technical pattern, this company has given a very strong breakout within the parallel channel pattern, and this company's stock was continuously in a bull trend, which where we see a parallel channel which was forming exactly, and more number of buyers and the sellers were trying to accumulate on this company, which where I see a very strong potential breakout within the parallel channel with a heavy green candle and with a heavy volume. This volume has never been happened into this stock in any of the history. And once after this stock has given a huge momentum and break the parallel channel, again this stock is consolidating right now just exactly at a very strong resistance level. I see a very strong potential breakout which is going to be happen in this company, and the strong resistance line which is going to be break, and this stock is going to go and reach new higher zones which is going to be more than at least 80 rupees. Currently this stock is exactly at a very strong price, which where we see that the stock is going to go and break that strong resistance line and will reach into the new higher zones which is going to be more than 80 rupees within a very short span of time. So I want you to keep this stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the very right and the best bargaining price so that we all could able to gain more in profits from this company. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing my channel. I will take you into my system and will show you exactly what are the chart patterns we are forming and where exactly that we need to enter and how long that we need to travel and what kind of pennant or the bullish pattern which is forming right now. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind. Hi fellow investors, welcome back to the channel. The stock which we are going to discuss and analyze today is ujjivan Small Finance Bank. If you see the chart on my screen, I have clearly mentioned the trend lines as well as the support and resistance level and the pattern and the target levels. If you see the chart, this chart is a daily chart for ujjivan Small Finance Bank. We could able to see it clearly that this stock was continuously in an upward momentum from the price 22 rupees until exactly which is over here at 56 rupees. This stock was continuously in a heavy upward and a bull momentum, which where we see that the back-to-back green candles which were forming, which where we see that the more number of buyers are showing interest into this stock. And exactly over here, this stock is in a consolidated in between a parallel channel. Once after a heavy momentum and a heavy breakout from back-to-back green candles, we could able to see it clearly that this stock was in a parallel channel, which where both the buyers and the sellers are trying to make an upper hand on this stock. We could able to see it clearly, a back-to-back green and the red candles, which were the more number of buying pressure as well as the selling pressure. Once after a heavy pressure which is completed, we see a heavy green candle with a heavy volume which is almost like more than 116 million volume. This volume never happened into this company. Once after a heavy breakout with a heavy green candle, again this stock is exactly consolidating at a very strong resistance line. You could able to see it clear, which where we could able to see like a heavy green candle with a heavy volume by just breaking the strong parallel channel. Once after the heavy breakout, this stock is again exactly consolidating in a very strong resistance line, and this is one of the very strong resistance line for this company. If you could able to see it, like this stock has try to touch this resistance line a long back, which is exactly in February 2020, and then fall from the strong resistance line until exactly at the price 22 rupees. And again this stock has hit that resistance line, and now it's consolidating exactly at a very strong zone, which where I'm sure that this stock has going to give us a huge breakout from this strong resistance line and will reach into the new higher zones, which is going to be more than 80 rupees. So please keep this stock under your radar and make sure you enter exactly at the very right at the bargaining price, which is at 54.25 rupees, and the stop loss is going to be 52.25 rupees. This is the very best stop loss which where we could avoid the fake outs. And the target 1 is going to be 63 rupees, the target 2 is going to be 70, and the target 3 is going to be 80 rupees. I'm sure that this stock is going to go and reach more than 100 rupees. So I want you to keep this stock as a long-term investment. If you want to book the profits on time, you could be able to book the profits whenever this stock has hit this target levels. This stock and this company has a very potential to grow in future as per my in-depth fundamental analysis. If you see the fundamentals of this company's compound sales growth, which was tremendously increased from 15% to 48%, and especially the profit growth which was increased from 46% to 5000%, and the stock CAGR which was increased from 20% to 150%, and the customer base within the India has tremendously increased. This stock has both the fundamental as well as the technicals which are very strong. So I want you to keep this stock and gain more in profits from this company. Thank you very much for watching this video. I would request you to please consider subscribing my channel so that you will get a notification whenever I posted the videos on the breakout stocks as well as the value investing stocks. As you notice that whatever the stocks which I have posted in my channel, which has given a tremendous profits and tremendous momentum, which where we gain more in profits from all these stocks. Have a happy, healthy, wealthy and successful life. Jai Hind.